see Wilson's Arch from the roadway. That's one of the highlights there. 191 headed to Canyonlands, the Needles entrance. So that's what we'll be doing today. Left the KOA about 8 o'clock this morning. It's quarter to 8. And there's the Needles coming up on the right. After turning off of State Road 191, you come to State Road 211, and it's still 34 miles to the Needles, the Canyonlands Needles section entry. So it's a ways out here. We'll see how many people are out on this one. A lot further travel than getting into Arches, which is just north of Moab. And there's like 3 districts to Canyonlands. We'll do Island of the Sky tomorrow. And they're separate points of entry. And the one on the west side of the park, I think it's the Mesa district. I'll put the correct name in here. But it's really remote, so I don't think we'll be going there unless you have a Jeep and a backpack and a tent and want to hike forever. And that's your place. So we'll do the Needles and Island in the Sky. So that's our 2 sections we'll do at Canyonlands. This is just the entry getting to the park, and it's gorgeous. Watch what I'm doing here. And there's an Indian Springs recreational area. It's like BLM land. Probably camp right here. Not in this heat though. Maybe a different time of the year. Some more of the ride into the park. Impressive. Boy, I don't know how the park can beat this. This is just the drive-in. Wow. Just majestic. And you're definitely encouraged to pay attention to your driving and stay in your lane, because if you don't, you're going to have a serious dent in your fender. Give you a panoramic view of the drive-in. I just had to stop. This is Monument Valley has nothing on this place. Look at this. This has got to be the best kept secret of the park system. Absolutely stunning. I'm waiting for John Wayne to come clopping by on his horse. Well, we made it to the entry. Private vehicle is $30. Of course, I have my El Senor pass, so that should get me in for free. So what a great deal. I don't know, the park has really got to do a lot to top the entry. The entry road coming in was just awesome. There's the view of Wooden Shoe Arch. The sun's right in the way too. There you can see the wooden shoe and the little arch. See if I can zoom in on that a little bit. Alright, that's it. It does look like a little wooden shoe, doesn't it? This is the first stop after the visitor center. some of the views. It was tough to beat. The park's got to go a long way to beat the entry road coming in. I was just stunned. This is very beautiful. We'll go a little further down's the campground. We'll go check that out. This is Campground A. They've got paved pads. Looks like they could accommodate a trailer or a fifth wheel, probably up to 30 feet, I would say. It'd be a little tight for parking your car, or tow vehicle. But you don't want to do it this time of year. Well, no power. Doesn't look like any water hookups either. Oh, what a gorgeous surrounding. Little restrooms. It's handicapped. Well, that's a nice sight. It's already 82 degrees and it's 9:30. Some more hardy souls. Yeah, that'd work if the weather wasn't so severe. So it looks like 25 or 26. I don't like those. Maybe a little shaded. View from Pothole Trail. We'll start on this side. The wind's going to pick up here on me. What a view. I'll start on the back side. That's the needles over there. We'll see if we can get a little closer view of them. And it's just amazing. Nobody's here. It's fantastic. Look at that sky. This is the view from the end of the scenic trail of the canyon, formed by, I guess, the Green River, and I don't know if the Colorado River plays a role in it. I'll check on that. But it's just stunning. The Grand Canyon's really got nothing on this place, and there's nobody here. This is it's just quiet out here, except for the wind. You can hear the wind. Just simply gorgeous. Yeah, this is one of my new favorite parks. I'll be back when the weather's a little nicer for camping on this place. This is just gorgeous. I know. Headed back to Moab and the KOA. Even the ride out, you still think you're in the park until you get to US 191. It's about an hour and a half ride, but it sure is enjoyable. We'll be headed out to Canyonlands Island in the Sky tomorrow, so hang around.